So over here, you can see that I got some files loaded up right here, just like this. And now if I were to go around and export these projects out, then it'll be exported out as these file names right here. You can see that it says a desktop 246391 underscore tiny stitch clip. But if I want to give a more sensible name, you can simply go around onto the output file address right here, click on it, and then what you can do is you can choose where you want to save the file right here. And then what you can actually do is, let's say, for example, give a proper name. For example, I'm going to go around and say TutorTube right here, just like this, and click on save. And then it will be saved in this particular location with the name TutorTube, as you can see. Even if you were to go around over here and click on the format right here, let's say, for example, you have the export settings, and then around over here, you can see the output name. You can select the output name from over here as well. Click on it, and then you simply have the output, the same option right here. So you can go around over here onto desktop, let's say, for example, and then go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, file output, let's say, for example, type in whatever you want, press save, and then press OK, and then you get the file output name right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and adjust out the output name as you like, and choose the output location as well inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.